Wondering about social distancing? This video is for you. What does it really mean? It means avoiding crowds to limit the likelihood of catching or spreading a virus. In practice, it means postponing or cancelling concerts, festivals, and international events and closing schools. For an individual, maintaining enough distance between yourself and others, at least 1 metre, to reduce the risk of coming into contact with respiratory droplets people produce when they speak, cough, or sneeze. Why is it so important? Social distancing aims to reduce the number of infections and slow the spread of the epidemic. That helps buy time to develop a vaccine while preventing healthcare systems from being overwhelmed by a sudden crush of patients. Social distancing during the 1918 Spanish flu helped some cities like St. Louis slow down the pandemic. 2 days after detecting its first cases, St. Louis closed schools, playgrounds, libraries, courtrooms, and churches, and banned public gatherings of more than 20 people. Their success depended on how soon those measures were adopted. Pennsylvania, on the other hand, ignored warnings that influenza had spread among soldiers returning from Europe and allowed a major World War I support parade to take place that attracted 20,000 people. 3 days later, every bed in Philadelphia's 31 hospitals were filled with sick and dying Spanish flu patients. By the end of the week, more than 4,500 were dead in an outbreak that would claim as many as 100 million lives worldwide. The extreme social distancing measures in St. Louis kept per capita flu-related deaths to less than half of those in Philadelphia. Social distancing is key to preventing community spread of a pathogen, along with the basic practices, washing hands for at least 20 seconds, wearing a mask if you're coughing or sneezing, and avoiding touching your face. Have you gotten your Stay Safe wristband yet? Create awareness by wearing one and stay safe. Go to think-safe.org to order one now.